What's going on today, YouTube? Rob here. In today's video, I'm coming at you with another Ancient Guardians booster box opening. This time, I'm opening 2 boxes for you. Again, we're obviously trying to pull collector's rares, because they're kind of the chase cards in this. But we're also looking to complete all 3 of the different decks that are mainly focused in this set, which are the Ogdoadic Reptile archetype, the Sulfachord slash Do-Re-Mi Chord Pendulum deck archetype, and the Ursa Arctic archetype deck as well. We have about half of everything, give or take. So we're basically just looking to finish those off and see if we can't pull a collector's rare. But before we get started, I just want to say, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more fun Yu-Gi-Oh videos. Also, if you like this video, consider leaving a like, and also comment on either what your favorite card is out of Ancient Guardians, what kind of deck profiles you might want to see, or just anything in particular, what you liked about the video. And without wasting any more of your time, let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get into this double Ancient Guardians booster box opening. All we're really hoping for out of this is collector's rares or some more cards for some of the decks that come out of this set. Getting close to being able to build those. So far, while opening these, I haven't pulled a collector's rare. And I don't know, we'll see if we can pull one. This set's actually pretty interesting. And I kind of want to build all 3 archetypes, or all 3 decks from this set. So I am working on that. First pack to go. We're starting off with Zoha the Ogdoadic Boundless, Sulfachord Formal, Pot of Riches, Ursa Arctic Megatanus, Dino Wrestler Pankratops, got Magister Paladin the Ascending Draco Slayer, got Ursa Arctic Megatanus. Not a bad first pack. We have Luster Pendulum, the Draco Slayer, followed by Ogdoadic Origin, Ursa Arctic Megapolar, offering to the Snake Deity. We've got Sulfachord Dreamia, Trade-In, and Do Sulfachord Cutia. We have Rise of the Snake Deity, followed by Ignite Reload, Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, followed by Vinamanaga, the Deity of Poisonous Snakes, Ogdoadic Hollow, Trade-In, and we have Alarit the Ogdoadic Dark. So, not bad pack so far. Keep it going. We've got Ursa Arctic Quint Charge, followed by Viper's Rebirth, Snake Rain, Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Sulfachord Formal, Ogdoadic Calling, and La Sulfachord Angelia. Starting off this pack, we've got Ayers Rock Sunrise, followed by Evil Dragon Anata, Resulfacord Dreamia, Sulfacord Scale, Damage Equals Reptile, got Wavering Eyes, and we've got Ogdobus the Ogdotic Overlord. Nice, nice. We have Wavering Eyes to start off this pack, followed by Me Sulfacord Elydia, King of the Feral Imps, Evil Dragon Anata, Viper's Rebirth, Phenomenon the King of Poisonous Snakes, and Kyrus the Ogdotic Light. Let's keep going with this booster box opening. So far, we've gotten some pretty decent pulls. Still no collector's rare, though. So we're starting off with Ursa Arctic Megapolar, offering to the Snake Deity, Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Ursa Arctic Megabilis, King of the Feral Imps, got Dino Wrestler Power, the Mighty Draco Slayer, we've got Ogdotic Water Lily. We're also about halfway through this first side. So we've got Ursa Arctic Megatanus, followed by another the Mighty Draco Slayer, Light Serpent, Ignite Reload, offering to the Snake Deity, Sulfacord Musica, and Nunu the Ogdotic Remnant. Pulling quite a few of the Ogdotic cards, which is nice to see. We've got Snake Rain, followed by Ogdotic Calling, Luster Pendulum the Draco Slayer, Ogdotic Origin, we've got Master Paladin the Ascending Draco Slayer, Me Sulfacord Elydia, and So Sulfacord Gracia. We have Zoha, the Ogdotic Boundless, followed by Ursa Arctic Charge, or Quint Charge, Skullmeister, Dino Wrestler Pankratops, got Rise of the Snake Deity, Resulfacord Dreamia, and Ursa Arctic McPolar. On to the next pack we go. We have Ursa Arctic Quint Charge once again, Zoha the Ogdotic Boundless, Pot of Riches, Sulfacord Formal, Ursa Arctic Megatanus, Ignite Reload, and Ursa Arctic Departure. That's nice, that's very nice actually. We have Flogus, the Ogdotic Boundless, followed by Pot of Riches, Ayers Rock Sunrise, Sulfacord Scale, Evil Dragon Anata, Magister Paladin, the Ascending Draco Slayer, and Ursa Arctic McBillis. That's it for the first half of this booster box. Let's move on to the second half. We have Ignite Reload, followed by Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Phenomenaga, Deity of Poisonous Snakes, Ogdotic Hollow, Trade-In, Ayers Rock Sunrise, and Alarit, the Ogdotic Dark. Next pack we go. We have Evil Dragon Ananta, followed by Viper's Rebirth, Phenomenon, the King of Poisonous Snakes, Ursa Arctic Megatanus, followed by Dinoster Power, the Mighty Draco Slayer, Light Serpent, and Ursa Arctic Mectanus to round off this pack. Next up we have Sulfurcord Formal, Pot of Riches, Ursa Arctic Megatanus, Dino Wrestler Pankratops, Magister Paladin the Ascending Draco Slayer, Rise of the Snake Deity, and Nunu the Ogdotic Remnant. Ignister Prominence the Blasting Draco Slayer, followed by Sulfurcord Formal, Ogdotic Calling, Wavering Eyes, Me Sulfurcord Aledia, King of the Feral Imps, and Ursa Arctic Big Dipper. Another nice Ursa Arctic card. Off to the next pack. We have Trade-In to start, followed by Me Sulfurcord Aledia, Snake Rain, Light Serpent, Flogus the Ogdotic Boundless, Zoha the Ogdotic Boundless, and Ogdotic Water Lily. Still no collector's rare, but hey, keep on going. Next pack we go. We have Offering to the Snake Deity, followed by Re-Sulfurcord Dreamia, Trade-In, Ursa Arctic Quint Charge, Viper's Rebirth, Snake Rain, and Noya, the Ogdotic Remnant. We have Ogdotic Calling, followed by Skullmeister, Phenomenon, the King of Poisonous Snakes, Ayers Rock Sunrise, King of Feral Imps. We have Sulfurcord Musica, and Sulfurcord Elegance. So far, I think all of the cards that we have pulled for each of the respective decks to be coming out of this set are actually coming along quite nicely. We have over half of everything so far. But let's see if we can't still pull that collector's rare. We have Ursa Arctic Megabilis, Ayers Rock Sunrise, Damage Equals Reptile, Luster Pendulum the Draco Slayer, Ogdotic Origin, Ursa Arctic Megapolar, and La Sulfurcord Angelia. Next pack we go. We have Ursa Arctic Megabilis, Viper's Rebirth, Ogdotic Origin, Wavering Eyes, Damage Equals Reptile, Venomanaga, the Deity of Poisonous Snakes, and we've got Do Sulfurcord Kiria. We have this pack, followed by two more in this first box. We have Light Serpent, followed by Dino Wrestler Pankratops, Flogus the Ogdotic Boundless, the Dinoster Power, the Mighty Draco Slayer, Venomanaga, Deity of Poisonous Snakes, Sulfurcord Scale, and Sulfurcord Harmonia. Second last pack we go. We have Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Trade-In, Ogdotic Hollow, another Mighty Draco Slayer, another Luster Pendulum, the Draco Slayer, Ursa Arctic Megapolar, and Ursa Arctic Slider. That's nice. Last and final pack of this first booster box. We have Phenomenon, the King of Poisonous Snakes, followed by Ogdotic Hollow, Viper's Rebirth, Sulfurcord Musica, Skullmeister, Rise of the Snake Deity, and we have Fa Sulfurcord Fancia, rounding off this booster box. So not bad for our first booster box. Let's move on to the second booster box and see if we can't pull that collector's rare. Alright guys, let's move on to this second half of our double booster box opening. So far, again, no collector's rares, which does kind of suck, but we do have a lot of cards for all three decks, which is also one of our goals for this set. But as you all know, we do want to pull a collector's rare if we can. Doesn't matter what, but a collector's rare would be great. First pack, here we go. We have Damage Equals Reptile, followed by Venamanaga, the deity of poisonous snakes, Ogdoadic Calling, Skullmeister, Venomenon, the king of poisonous snakes, Ayers Rock Sunrise, and Soul Sulfurcord Gracia. Rounding off the first pack, and onto our next pack we go. We have Evil Dragon Ananta, Viper's Rebirth, Venomenon, Earth's Arctic Megatanus. We've got the Mighty Draco Slayer, Light Serpent, and Alarit, the Ogdoadic Dark. We have Sulfurcord Scale, another Evil Dragon Ananta, Magister Paladin, the Ascending Draco Slayer, Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Trade-In, Ogdoadic Hollow, and Nunu, the Ogdoadic Remnant. I believe that will complete the deck. Might need one more Nuya, and that's it. I believe our Sulfurcord deck is complete, give or take a card or two. Trade-In, Ayers Rock Sunrise, Evil Dragon Ananta, Sulfurcord Dreamia, Sulfurcord Scale, Damage Equals Reptile, and Earth's Arctic McPolar. Starting off with Dinoster Power, the Mighty Draco Slayer. We've got Luster Pendulum, the Draco Slayer. Earth's Arctic Megapolar. Earth's Arctic Megabilis. Viper's Rebirth. Ogdoadic Origin. And Kiers, the Ogdoadic Light. Wavering Eyes, followed by Earth's Arctic Megapolar, Offering to the Snake Deity, Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Earth's Arctic Megabilis, King of the Feral Imps, and Nuya, the Ogdoadic Remnant. So I believe that gives us our third copy of Nuya, and we should be able to finish off an Ogdoadic deck profile fairly soon. We have Wavering Eyes, followed by Damage Equals Reptile, Venamanaga, the deity of poisonous snakes, Ogdoadic Calling, Skullmeister, Venomenon, the king of poisonous snakes, and we've got Sulfurcord Elegance. That's our third copy of Elegance. That might also give us a pure Sulfurcord deck profile. We have Earth's Arctic Megabilis, followed by Ayers Rock Sunrise, Damage Equals Reptile, Luster Pendulum, the Draco Slayer, Ogdoadic Origin, Earth's Arctic Megapolar, and Nunu the Ogdotic Remnant. Again, I think we're done for the Ogdotic cards, but not a bad pull anyway, just in case we needed another Nunu. We have Evil Dragon Ananta, Magister Pendulum, Magister Paladin, geez, can't talk, the Ascending Draco Slayer, followed by Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Trade-In, Ogdotic Hollow, Dinoster Power, the Mighty Draco Slayer, and T Sulfachord Beautia. So I was wrong. I believe this is our first Beautia, might be our second, so we'll keep an eye out for that. We have Offering to the Snake Deity, followed by Resulfachord Dreamia, Trade-In, Earth's Arctic Quint Charge, Viper's Rebirth, Snake Rain, and Kyr's the Ogdotic Light. We have Luster Pendulum the Draco Slayer, followed by Earth's Arctic Megapolar, Earth's Arctic Megabilis, Viper's Rebirth, Ogdotic Origin, Wavering Eyes, and Nuya the Ogdotic Remnant. Last pack on the right side, then we're halfway through the second booster box. Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Sulfachord Formal, Ogdotic Calling, Wavering Eyes, Me Sulfachord Aledia, King of the Feral Imps, and Earth's Arctic McBillis. Next up, we have Rise of the Snake Deity, followed by Light Serpent, Dino Wrestler Pankratops, Flogus the Ogdotic Boundless, got Dinoster Power, the Mighty Draco Slayer, Venomanaga, the Deity of Poisonous Snakes, and Earth's Arctic Megabilis, or McBillis. Once again, rounding off another pack. Next up, we have Magister Paladin, the Ascending Draco Slayer, Rise of the Snake Deity, Ignite Reload, Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Venomanaga, the Deity of Poisonous Snakes, Ogdotic Hollow, and Earth's Arctic Slider. Come on, Collector's Rare. We've got Dino Wrestler Pankratops, Rise of the Snake Deity, Resulfachord Dreamia, Flogus, the Ogdotic Boundless, Pot of Riches. Oh, guys, I think we pulled one. We totally pulled one. Ayers Rock Sunrise, and boom, there we go. Collector's Rare copy of Snake Rain. I definitely need to get a sleeve here. Oh boy, this is great. What a copy. Okay, so that's our one Collector's Rare. I highly doubt that we'll be able to pull another one, seeing as this is the same box. But you never know, maybe it was mispackaged and there's a second Collector's Rare. If not, oh well, let's see what else we can pull. And guys, I'm actually shaking right now. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but oh man, I'm just so excited. We have Flogus the Ogdotic Boundless, followed by Zoha, Sulfachord Formal, Pot of Riches, Earth's Arctic Megatanus, got Dino Wrestler Pankratops, and Earth's Arctic Big Dipper. Guys, like that looks amazing. This is just great. Oh man. We have Ignite Reload, followed by Offering to the Snake Deity, Sulfachord Musica, Zoha the Ogdotic Boundless, Earth's Arctic Quint Charge, Skullmeister, and last Sulfachord Angelia. Next pack we go. We have King of the Feral Imps, followed by Sulfachord Musica, Trade-In, Me Sulfachord Aledia, Snake Rain once again, Light Serpent, and Earth's Arctic Departure. Dino Wrestler Pankratops, Magister Paladin, the Ascending Draco Slayer, Rise of the Snake Deity, Ignite Reload, Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Venomanaga, the Deity of Poisonous Snakes, and Sulfachord Gracia. Ignite Reload once again, Phenomenon, the King of Poisonous Snakes, Ogdotic Hollow, Viper's Rebirth, Sulfachord Musica, Skullmeister, and last Sulfachord Angelia, or Angelia. Either one is totally fine. Next up we have Light Serpent, followed by Flogos, the Ogdotic Boundless, Zoha, the Ogdotic Boundless, Sulfachord Formal, Pot of Riches, Earth's Arctic Megatanus, and Do Sulfachord Cutia. 3 packs to go. We have Aledia, followed by Earth's Arctic Quint Charge, Zoha the Ogdotic Boundless, Pot of Riches, Sulfachord Formal, Earth's Arctic Megatanus, and Earth's Arctic Mictanus. So we've got 2 packs left, guys. And then we are basically just done with Ancient Guardians, or at least this double booster opening. We have Dinoster Power, the Mighty Draco Slayer, followed by Snake Rain, Ogdotic Hollow, Luster Pendulum, the Draco Slayer, Ogdotic Origin, Magister Paladin, the Ascending Draco Slayer, and Fa Sulfachord Fancia. Rounding off our second last pack. Let's see what we pull from our final pack of this double Ancient Guardians booster box. We have Ayers Rock Sunrise, followed by the King of Feral Imps, Sulfachord Musica, Trade-In, Me Sulfachord Aledia, Snake Rain, and Sulfachord Harmonia. Rounding off this double Ancient Guardians booster box opening. But guys, like, take a look at the difference between the collector's rare version of Snake Rain, followed by just the normal copy that comes in this box, or the rare copy. This is so much better. And I'm actually really glad that we managed to pull this. This is really crazy. Alright guys, that's it for this very exciting Ancient Guardians booster box opening. We did manage to pull a collector's rare Snake Rain, which is great. It was something we were looking for, because we were looking for more collector's rares, but we also did manage to basically finish off the Ogdotic deck profile, and we may have also finished off the Sulfachord deck, so I will have deck profiles for those coming up very soon. And as always, I will see you in the next one. That's game.